Hello guys, so in this video I'll show you how you can unjailbreak your device using checkra1n. So I'm actually jailbroken. You can see all the tweaks running like that. Little X is running and it's a jailbroken state. You can see the CDI is running. But now how you can re-jailbreak it, or so you don't want to restore the system and erase everything. Just click restore system here. Once you click the restore system, what it does, it's clean CDI, uninstall everything from your device, and it will actually boot your device, reboot your device, and you can see there is no CDI, there is no checkra1n, everything is running so normal. If you want to completely wipe your device off, now you can just completely erase everything out if you want to, or if you are having any troubles from tweaks, anything like that, repeat the step for checkra1n on Ubuntu or Mac. Just install checkra1n app again and install CDI back. So it's that easy, guys, to do that and reinstall CDI or erase everything to get back stock if you're having any troubles. So that easy, guys, to re-jailbreak or reinstall CDI using checkra1n. Hope you like this video. Peace out.